Advanced vocabulary. Fluctuate. Verb. To change irregularly. Example: oil prices often fluctuate during the winter months. Haughty. Adjective. Disdainfully proud. Example: she gave him a haughty look. Inept. Adjective. Not good at something. Example: he was completely inept at sports. Establish. Verb. To bring into existence. Example: they plan to establish a new bank. Reluctant. Adjective. Unwilling or hesitant. Example: she was reluctant to try the new restaurant. Superficial. Adjective. Not deep or thorough. Example: the presentation was dull and superficial. Manipulate. Verb. To influence in a deceptive way. Example: she used interviews to manipulate public opinion. Assess. Verb. To evaluate or judge. Example: try to assess each candidate's strengths and weaknesses. Inevitable. Adjective. Certain to happen. Example: getting wet is inevitable if you are going to swim. Justify. Verb. To show to be right. Example: he tried to justify his decision to the committee. Consequently. Adverb. As a result. Example: it rained and consequently the game was cancelled. Decline. Verb. To decrease. Example: sales continued to decline over the past year. Sustainable. Adjective. Able to be maintained. Example: we need sustainable sources of energy. Benefit. Noun. Advantage. Example: one benefit of exercise is better sleep. Reliable. Adjective. Able to be trusted. Example: we need a reliable tool for this job. Impact. Noun. Effect or influence. Example: the storm had a major impact on the city. Innovation. Noun. A new idea or method. Example: the company is known for its innovation. Pursue. Verb. To follow or chase. Example: he wants to pursue a career in journalism. Expand. Verb. To increase in size. Example: The company plans to expand its operations. Contrast. Verb. To compare in order to show differences. Example. She contrasted the two ideas in her essay. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update, and leave a comment below to let us know what you'd like to learn next. See you in the next video. If you would like to support the channel, please buy us a coffee in the link below.